Normally I would show the box during the opening, but well, this is a bootleg, so it doesn't have one. Let's get into the review. Hello and welcome back to a DX Geats review. Today we're taking a look at, technically, the Hi-Spec belt. Yeah, so anyway, I wanted the Hi-Spec belt, but I didn't want to pay the absurd eBay prices for it. Seriously, it's going for like $100 or something. So I just bought a bootleg off AliExpress for like 20 bucks. And though there's not a lot to it, I figured other people would probably be interested, so I might as well do a video on it. This is, as far as I can tell, pretty much one-to-one with the actual Hi-Spec belt. Maybe the material is a little bit tougher, but it still bends. So, can't really complain there. It's just all black plastic, hit with, as far as I can tell, actual spray paint silver, because when I opened it, it just smelled like spray paint. The straps seem fine, and it's just, you know, a belt. Have the little back cap made with Velcro, which sits over it and completes the look, as long as you have the waist of a very thin Japanese man, because fully clothed like this thing is like a couple inches bigger than the kids one that comes with the actual Desire driver, which I conveniently have right here. Yeah, it's not that much bigger. Obviously, these are almost the same size. The edge ridges, can't talk today. The edge ridges on the Hi-Spec belt are a lot more obvious, though they are technically still there on this one. This is the biggest difference. The grading is a honeycomb pattern here, whereas it's just cross on this one, which don't actually know which one's more accurate. I'm going to assume the one that's on bootleg Hi-Spec is more accurate. Honestly, there's not really a lot more to say. I mean, I can... Fits completely fine on the Desire driver. There's not really anything else to say. I guess we'll just wrap this up. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a real short video, but not really much to talk about with this, to be honest. This is honestly more of just a video letting people know that if you want a Hi-Spec belt for pretty much any driver in the past, like, 15 years, because they keep using the same, like, 3 belts, you can just get a bootleg and it's, like, on par with the official one for less than half the price you're going to pay for it. So just, there's no electronics in these or anything. Just buy the bootleg. Save yourself like 50 bucks. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.